The original version was just too boring. Hello guys, welcome back to What If What If Dark Sonic was canon, and this time a remake from What If Part 10 from What If Dark Sonic was canon. Yeah, this is gonna be the Part 10. Yeah, just like in Sonic Adventure 2, Sonic escapes the government, gun. Yeah, and makes it to Radical Highway. Yeah, figures out the military has mistaken me for the likes of you. Talk, you fake hedgehog. Shadow using Chaos Control, just like in Can. Chaos Control! So Shadow escapes using Chaos Control again. Yeah, the government arrests Sonic. Amy makes it to Prison Island. Met Tails. Yeah, Tails is going to free Sonic, and Amy, she's going to find the Shadow. Yeah, and Charmy helping her. The bee is just too crazy. Yeah, Amy hopes Tails would save Sonic. Must see, the bee always annoys Amy for some reason. She gets so annoyed. Hello, fake Sonic. I think you're mistaking me for other hedgehog. You're fake hedgehog. Come here. Amy and Shadow fight in a fake battle. Yeah, shut up. You're a fake Sonic. I'm not a fake. Shadow kicking at Amy, defeating her. Her training was not enough. The first time since part 5. She was sad, but she was not going to give up. She was going to fight Shadow again, but then a blue streak attacked Shadow. It was Sonic the Hedgehog. Also, in this time, Rouge has escaped the vault. In this timeline, she's not gonna be trapped in the vault instead. She's gonna be... she manages to get 1 Chaos Emerald, and a bit should be a little bit faster escaping out of the vault using her kicks. I'm sorry. Shadow, they would, whatever. Sonic would look at Shadow in the eyes, and they would battle. Shadow would launch Chaos Spears. You want to show real power? Take this. They use Chaos. Sonic uses Sonic Wind, and Shadow using a Chaos Control. Using a move similar to Frontiers, they slowly do the final move, Chaos Control, warping every human being and Mobian out of Prison Island. Including Rouge and Tails and Amy and Eggman and everybody. Somewhere else around the world. Shadow is warped to the space colony Argument Rouge and Eggman. Shadow finally seeing the hedgehog again. That faker is gonna be very disappointment in our next battle. Rouge. Eggman tried to collect the yellow Chaos Emeralds. But Rouge has an idea. Why not use the Master Emerald shards? Just like in canon, Eggman makes his announcement. Shattering half of the moon. Some people even thinking the ultimate life form is Sonic. That same because he was black in Station Square. And it's in this time, Sonic didn't save Station Square from perfect chaos. It was Tails. Rouge, just like in that cutscene, tries to betray Eggman and snatch the Chaos Emeralds. And Shadow even saying, "You're that spy bat, Rouge the Bat." But when Eggman steps into the room, they're both silent. Masali, lasers are flown into the colony Ark. It's Sonic and his friends. Sonic speeding off to the colony Ark to Eggman, to stop the Eclipse Cannon from firing. SBO and Knuckles team up. Leave. Well, Amy gets a fight with Rouge. Unlike the original timeline, Amy's more moveset is the same like in Sonic Battle. And she has the same attitude like Sonic and the same determination from Sonic. Like in canon. So she easily defeats Rouge. Rouge saying, "I'm a government spy. shocking Amy. Yeah, they decide to team up. Then Eggman holds them to gunpoint. I should have known you were a government spy. He grabs Amy hostage. Yeah, unlike the original timeline, Tails is the one. Yeah, he gives the real emerald to Eggman. Yeah, and Eggman does him in the same situation as Sonic with the fake emerald. With Tails using Chaos Control. But Sonic sees it on the glass of the Ark and goes crazy. Eggman suddenly sees a blue streak attack the machine and destroy it. It blows up with Sonic holding the gun from Eggman. Sonic, we can talk about this. No, Eggman. He shoots Eggman, killing Eggman. Shadow sees the dropped Chaos Emerald, grabs it, speeds faster to the Eclipse Cannon's core, puts the Chaos Emerald in it. Suddenly, Sonic attacks Shadow, and they fight. With Sonic overwhelming Shadow and beating him up to a crisp, like in Sonic Movie 3. He turns into his dark form. He was ready to kill Shadow, but he figured this out. This is not what Tails wanted. Yeah, Fleetway almost got control again, and he's gonna not risk his friends. Shadow talks about his history, what makes Sonic cry. They decide to work together to Shadow remembers Maria's wish. Shadow, bring hope to humanity. He speeds off. Tails, you're alive? Sonic hugs Tails. How did you survive? I used the fake Chaos Emerald. You said, yeah. Shadow fights the Bio Lizard, just like in canon. With Shadow and Knuckles being the Bio Lizard equals. The Bio Lizard uses a move what only the ultimate life form could do. Chaos Control. Yeah, Sonic and Knuckles neutralize the Chaos Emeralds. Chaos is power. In Reach, the controller is the one who unifies the chaos. Stop the Chaos Emeralds! The Bio Lizards, Sonic and Shadow turn super, but this time a new form appears. Dark Super Sonic. They defeat the final hazard, using Chaos Control on the Ark, teleporting it back to its collision course to Earth. Shadow falls. One of his inhibitors falling. Maria, was this your wish? Sonic, take care of the planet for me. He disappears, and that's where we will leave things for right now.